Hello everybody, this is Nancy from AU Group Electronics. Today I'm going to demonstrate a function test for speedometer. The speedometer's part number is 0055307 and the serial number is 1565862. On this panel there are three switches over here: constant power, backlight, and ignition switch. Now let's turn on the ignition switch. The pointer on the speedometer moved to 80 miles per hour, and the engine coolant temperature moved to about 153 degrees Fahrenheit, and on the odometer it's reading at 22,308.5 miles. Right now the backlight is off. Let's turn on the backlight. The backlight is on. Now let's turn off the backlight and turn off the ignition switch so that we can measure the slip current. We use a multimeter to measure the slip current. And the slip current on the multimeter is showing from 2.6 to 3.1 milliamp. That's all for today's function test. Thanks for watching.